Welcome to Converge 2025. This is the first lab of the day, gentlemen. Please, would you introduce yourselves? Tell me a little bit about your lab.
Sure, my name is Rob Brawl. I'm a member of our domain architecture team.
Dries Mertens, solution engineer in Belgium.
PK Kernew, solution engineer located here in Florida.
Tell me about your lab today. What's the title? What's this all about?
Thank you. So our lab title is using AI agents to accelerate your endpoint management. So what this really means is how can we use AI to get more done and faster. So we start off with Security Copilot, which we've been working with for 2 years now, which we've recently brought agents to. So how can we investigate security incidents with Security Copilot? And then how do our agents speed that up? How do we get more done faster, be more effective at it? What we then do is pivot to using the Ask agent, which has been rolling out recently to our customers, to look at how do they accomplish day-to-day IT tasks, but with the agent. So looking at software that's being unused, looking at where we can update our browsers, and then how do we do it automatically, as well as looking at performance data from our endpoint. So where a machine's broken that we might not know about when we can get there first.
Love it so much.
That is absolutely fantastic. So Jesh and I actually snuck in here right at the end, and it was absolutely packed. What's some of the immediate feedback you're getting from the people taking this lab today?
So one of the things I've seen is that people are very excited. And what's great is we've had people that this is their first Converge, this is their fifth Converge, and we actually had some customers actually explaining and asking, hey, what can Tanium do to improve the process? So we've already taken some notes that we're going to come back and work with the team because they're great ideas, right? Customers help give us ideas and we improve the product. So giving them a better experience, everyone here has been very interactive and really great at voicing that.
There was one specific feedback is like, why are you using Tanium in the first place is to be more efficient and gain time. And on top of that, with that agentic AI, is you can make the questions that took some time to make some advanced questions and all those things. Now we can even make that more faster and more efficient and gain time even there. So that was one specific feedback. I was like, that's a very nice one.
I love it so much. Tanium, our big thing is the data, and everyone talks about with AI, you need good data to make good decisions with AI. And so I love that we're starting to see that in practice for our customers. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. Good luck with the rest of your labs.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you.